Hi! So what you have just seen now was the editing process of the video that you are about to watch. But the video is from Singapore and I am in Dubai. So wait. Good morning. So I'm in So I'm in Singapore already and I don't have any plans, so I'll just go for a walk because I don't have much time because this thing took too much of my time. I slept so well and I don't have a lot of time, so I'll just go to Botanic Gardens, which is nearby apparently. Anyway, Botanic Gardens, let's go. Okay, time to speak some truth. So the truth is that for this layover actually I was planning to do something else. I was planning to go to Sentosa Island. It looks like this. But yeah, I guess it was the weather forecast that really put me down. And as I was saying, yeah, the bed was so comfy. I fell asleep straight after the flight for an hour or two, and I just went outside to eat, and then I slept again until now. Well, no, I woke up 2 times or 3, but I slept really well, which is good. But I'm not good. I'm not having enough time to see the Sentosa Island. Plus the weather. Really, the weather showed that it might be that it's supposed to rain. What is that? You see that? Must be some aircraft. Yeah, the weather showed that it will be raining, but just look at the sun. Probably it won't. Anyway, it's too late. I'm not going to Sentosa. I'm going to Botanic Gardens and you're going with me. Deal with it. Welcome from the rainforest. So as you can see, I'm sweating pretty heavily, so this is the moment where my body tells me that it's too hot basically, and it might be the last moment to find water, and I'll try, guys, to show you some ways of survival, some techniques that may help you if you happen to be in the same situation. I mean, be in the rainforest without water. So let's just pretend, well, not pretend, I don't have any water, right? And I'm in the rainforest. So what should I do? First of all, I search for whatever nature is indicating to me, right? So let me show you. And I think I found it, look, guys. So this tree, it looks like Ficus variegata. Wait, there is a label. Yeah, that's the label. So whenever you see the tree like this, there might be some water around. So let's check for source of water now. Is there anything? There might be, guys, but remember, they are not always labeled, but today we were lucky. Anyway, yes, there it is. Source of water. So after we found some water, well, the obvious next step would be to find some food, and how lucky I am.